Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's R10 Tech. What we did is we got over to Kayne's house, we got the Air RGB 2 fans, the 120mm, like we needed in the first place, of course. We're gonna install them, and then we're gonna hit you with a nice, actually, all-white build montage. After that, we're gonna finish off the video with some benchmarks, see how it actually performs. Hope you enjoy.
So to kick off the video, we started off with CSGO. We had an average FPS of 168, an average CPU temp of 41, and GPU of 59. You have to keep in mind that we did no overclocking whatsoever, so everything that you see in this video is actually what you'll get right out of the box. Moving on to Rocket League, we had an average of 210 FPS, our CPU temp was an average of 41, and the GPU was a 61. Now these are pretty similar results to CSGO, but you have to keep in mind that both games are pretty similar in graphic content demand. Last but of course the most anticipated game, we have GTA 5 with an average FPS of 76, CPU temps of 45, GPU of 54. These are probably the most insane results I've ever seen. In a couple of seconds you're about to see that we hit a high of 96, and to be honest, I was left astounded. The fact that the 2060 and the i7 9700K even push FPS like this, just base, not even overclocked, keep in mind. You really do know that you're dealing with a gaming machine. Anyways, this has been R10 Tech. Thank you guys so much for watching this benchmark / all-white montage from Kayne's PC. If you guys would like to see the overclocking version of the benchmarks, please leave a like and comment down below that you actually would, because we'd really like to get that out for you. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace.